Good evening, my friends. If you are watching my video for the first time, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Justin. I am working and living in Djibouti. I am currently learning Somali and I would like to share with you how I learned Somali. I introduced one book, Manuel de Conversation, written by Véronique Caton Debet. Yes, last lesson. Also, I have introduced the article for the nouns. In this lesson, I will continue. We can divide the noun into two types. One is car type and the second is ta type. Car can also be ga and ha. Ta can also be da and sha. The first type, car, is normally for masculine nouns such as the male animals and persons. The second type, ta, is used for feminine nouns such as the female animals and persons. But there is a strange phenomenon in Somali noun. If a noun is masculine in singular form, it will become feminine in plural. Vice versa, if the noun is feminine in singular form, it will become masculine in plural. Also in Somali, there is a sound change. This is called the rule of euphony. It is also called the vocalic harmony. This leads to changes of vowels or consonants in a word in order to avoid the collision of two sounds. Two examples: emo, children. Emo, it can be il moho, il moha, il mohi, but to sound better, to have a sound change, it become il muhu, il maha, il mihi. Also tag, ha tagin, don't go. Tag means go. Ha taga, ha tagin. It is not ha tagin, but ha tagin, ha tagin, ha tagin. Okay, so much for today's lesson. Hope you will continue and subscribe and continue to learn with me the Somali language. Bye bye, see you next time.